Hello, my name is Jesus Sanchez. I am 23 years old. I am from Sagún, Córdoba. I live with my parents and two sisters in the Irlanda neighborhood. At the moment, I am a photographer and I am studying visual art. My hobby is watching movies and my favorite TV show is Shark Tank Colombia. My favorite sport is cycling. Now, I am going to talk about my family members. This is my mother. Her name is Germania Sierra. She is 45 years old. She is housewife. She is from Sagún, Córdoba. She is a friendly person. She is tall. Her eyes and hair are black. This is my father. His name is Adalberto Sanchez. He is 50 years old. He is merchant. He is from Sagún, Córdoba. He is an enthusiastic person. He is short and a little fat. She is my sister. Her name is Diana Sanchez. She is 24 years old. She is secretary. She is from Sagún, Córdoba. She is a happy and nice person. She is short and thin. This is my oldest sister. Her name is Arledy Sanchez. She is 25 years old. She is a primary teacher. She is from Sagún, Córdoba. She is an enthusiastic person. She has a baby of 4 months. That is all. Thank you.